Well, here in the staging lanes at Mecum Indy, it's not uncommon to come across lifelong passion, and that's the case with David Johnson here. David, you fell in love with GM's iconic A-body when you were just 4 years old. You've brought a gorgeous 69 442 to the auction. Fill me in about some of those early memories of riding in your dad's A-body.
Well, thanks. So when I was 4 years old, my father brought home a 69 Cutlass S convertible. Car started out was gold, but later was painted trophy blue with white interior. And that car was our everyday car. I mean, we would take it fishing. We would go to the amusement park and wax the car in the springtime, go over, put the wheels on it, and polish it. And so between the maintenance and the enjoyment of the car and the top down and the memories with my father, these cars got a special place in my heart.
And so you have undertaken multiple restorations, and this is the latest one. When did you start this project?
This project started roughly 4 years ago. It's a matching numbers car, brought back, everything, nut and bolt restoration, all original sheet metal on the car, a lot of the original upholstery except for the carpet and the kick panels, and completed roughly 2 months ago.
And let's take a look at what's underneath the hood.
Sure. So, the original matching numbers 400 cubic inch, big block Oldsmobile. Matching numbers carburetor, exhaust manifolds, distributor, transmission. The car is a real survivor car, so the restoration worked out great.
And what is it about the model? I know you've got all those childhood memories, but for you, why is this your favorite muscle car version?
Well, that's a great question. Well, mainly because there was roughly 4,300 to 4,400 of these convertibles made. The Chevelles were mass produced. These cars are very rare. And the body lines on this car, the way it flows, and just the uniqueness of the car when you pull in somewhere, very seldom do you see one. And naturally, the memories.
Well, and this is a special time for you because I know that you worked on the car with your dad. You've got tons of memories with your father. Unfortunately, he couldn't be here, but it's great to see that you're out celebrating the memories and the time together.
Well, the Mecum family and the way they make everything easy for you to come here, and the way you guys really present yourself, it really means a lot to me.
All right, final question for you. I'm guessing that after this one crosses the block, you've got a couple more. You got your eye on any other future projects in the works?
I have a Jimmy project on. I'm building for a guy right now, but the projects between my father and I think they're probably going to take a back seat. So.
All right. Do you have a 442 or A-body at home that you get out and enjoy?
No. This is the last of them sitting right here.
All right.
For now.
For now. Well, David, this is an incredible car. Thanks for sharing the story, man.
Thank you.